Hi guys, this is Jianlen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video is another lip product recommendation from the brand Dazzle Me. So ito yung kanilang Misty Matte Lip Creams. It has a soft blur lip cream that will never dry out your lips. It delivers full pigment and sets to a soft matte finish without emphasizing lip lines. And it has hyaluronic acid, jojoba seed oil, and shea butter. And also, this is foolproof formula. So, it means this is smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof. So, meron akong dalawang shades dito which are my favorite. So, the first one is Encounter, shade number 2. And the second one is shade number 6 which is Desert Sunset. Dito na rin pala nakalagay yung kanyang shade. And also, dito rin nakalagay yung kanyang expiry date. So, this is shade number 2. Encounter. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung kanyang swatch. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang color. Perfect siya pang everyday. Tapos, may pagka-pink yung kanyang color, guys. So, ayan. Tapos, subukan naman natin siya, guys, sa ating lips. Ayan, sobrang pigmented niya. Kahit isang layer pa lang. Kasya na siya sa buong lips mo. And sobrang lightweight niya. Ayan. Sobrang lightweight niya, guys, and sobrang moisturizing niya. So, parang wala ka lang nilagay sa lips mo. So, this is in the shade number 2, Encounter. Next is itong shade number 6. So, this is Desert Sunset. And ito din yung kanyang guys, swatch. Ayan. So, ito yung Desert Sunset, guys. Tapos, ito yung shade number 2, Encounter. Shade number 6, Desert Sunset. So, may pagka-brownish siya, guys. Yung Desert Sunset. Then, yung shade number 2, Encounter is may pagka-pink or salmon nude. Ito, may pagka-desert brown. So, try naman natin siya, guys, sa ating lips. Ayan, sobrang pigmented niya. Ayan, so this is shade number 6, Desert Sunset. Sobrang gaan niya talaga, guys, sa lips, and hindi talaga siya drying sa lips, as in, sa totoo lang. Feeling ko ito yung parang dupe ni Maybelline kasi mas affordable nga lang to. So, ngayon, guys, i-try naman natin siya, guys, kung totoo ba siya na smudge proof, transfer proof, and waterproof. Ayan. So, oh my God. Hindi na talaga siya dumikit, guys. Ayan. Totoo nga pala siya, guys, na transfer proof siya. So far, sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga to, guys, yung Misty Matte Lip Cream ni Dazzle Me kasi sobrang affordable niya. So, kung estudyante ka man or vegetarian like me, then, I know na magugustuhan mo to. It cost 179 pesos lang, guys. And, magkikita niyo siya sa mga department stores. And yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo every time na meron akong bagong video. Bye!